Hi guys, how moisture accumulate in the tank? It's present in any bike. It's present in different quantities, depending on whether the tank is metal or plastic. There will be more moisture in the metal tank. It's formed from a temperature drop. For example, there was a car in a warm garage. We drove out into the cold, and condensation forms, and vice versa. We drove into the warm box in the cold, or water in the tank will form it in the garage. There are also horizontal tanks where moisture is collected less and there will be much more vertical moisture. If the fuel level in the both tank is less, then the free area of condensation moisture formation will be large in the vertical tank. In general, there are two ways to remove it from the tank. The first is autochemistry. The second is the use of alcohol. Alcohol dissolved with water and burned like fuel without harming the engine. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.